Okay, now I'm going to explain the trash monitoring systems, our project. But first, let's take a look at the device first. Here is the device. The device consists of three main parts: the cover, the main body, and the docking. But we are talking the docking later. Okay, let's take a look. In the cover, I give a hole for the ultrasonic sensors. And in the case, there is a hole for the switch and the charging port. Okay, let me take this off. There is the component, but let's see the batteries first in the bottom. Here you can take it off, and then you can change the batteries if you want. The batteries we are using is the 18650, the Leon batteries. There is the component. The components are all soldered in a PCB, and then the PCB was screwed into the case. And this is the ESP32, the microcontroller that we are used. And there is the ultrasonic sensors, the ACSRO4, to calculate the distance. And then to get the locations, we are using a GPS module, the Neo 6M. And there is a charging module, the TP4056, and the step-up module MT6068. And there is a switch. Okay, there is the component. This is the third part of the case of the designs, the docking. We are glued the docking to the trash can cover. The functions of this docking is to make the device can attach to the trash can. So when this device batteries is run out, you can just slide it out and then charge the device, and then when it full, the battery is full, you can slide it back to the docking. Let me demonstrate it. Okay, there you go. To put it in, just slide in, just like that, and then you can turn the device on, and then the indicator will show right here. And when the batteries is run out, you just have to slide it out, just like that. Okay, now let's talk about our database. In our systems, in our project, we are using the Firebase real-time database. Here is the data that we get from our device. This one is the MAC address of our ESP32 in our device. We are using it as our device ID. When we click it, we will see another two data, the distance and the locations. The distance is the data from the ultrasonic sensor. We are using it to determine the conditions of the trash cans. And there is the locations. This we get from the GPS module. In the locations, there is conditions, latitude and longitude. The conditions will tell us does the GPS can read the signal or not. And the latitude and longitude are the measurements from the GPS module that we are using to track or to locate the device in the app. This is our app. This is the main page of our app. When we click this device, it will send us to the other page. In this page, will tell us or will show us the percentage of the trash cans conditions, how much or how full does the trash cans are, and it will show the latitude and the longitude of the trash cans. And there is a slide to determine the height of the trash cans. And when the calculations is wrong, like when the distance that we get is higher than the height of the trash cans, it will show error. Like when the trash cans is open, when the ultrasonics is face up. And when we click the track, it will show us the locations of the device. That's all. Thank you.